Hey guys, I don't know if you saw our bobber build or our Vespa build recently. Both of them have sold, so I have a brand new build for us. 2021 Street Triple RS. We're going to be putting on a Motodemic single headlight conversion, Yoshimura exhaust, and an Evotech tail tidy. Let's open these bad boys up. Hey guys, welcome back. We are finished with our Street Triple build. A customer did buy this bike before we got to finish the video, so thank you Jordan Lynch for letting us borrow the bike again. We did put on a Motodemic single conversion headlight, which looks fantastic. Evotech tail tidy, which cleans up the rear end nicely, and finished it off with the Yoshimura exhaust. Thank you, Yoshimura. Let's go take it for a test ride. That is a great bike. big difference. The sound sounds great. That exhaust is amazing. I don't think I could have done any better, to be honest with you. We do this a lot. We make custom builds, put special parts on bikes. In fact, I'm doing another street triple this week. If you're looking for something like this, we can do it for you. Come see us at OC Motorcycle.